Good morning, chaps. Today we solve another limit using conjugates, but this one is slightly different. We want the limit as x approaches 1 of 1 minus square root of x divided by 1 minus x. First, we try direct substitution. Plug in x equals 1. So we get 0 over 0. That means we have an indeterminate form, and we need to simplify. Now we notice the square root in the numerator. That is our signal to use the conjugate. The conjugate of 1 minus square root of x is 1 plus square root of x. So we multiply the fraction by 1 plus square root of x over 1 plus square root of x. Now look at the numerator. We have 1 minus square root of x times 1 plus square root of x. This is a difference of squares, so it becomes 1 minus x. Now the fraction becomes 1 minus x over 1 minus x times 1 plus square root of x. Now we can cancel the common factor 1 minus x. So the expression simplifies to 1 over 1 plus square root of x. Now substitute x equals 1. We get 1 over 1 plus 1. So the limit is 1/2. Quick takeaway. Even if the order looks flipped, the conjugate still removes the square root and creates a cancelling factor.